once you pass that security, you're going to go into the building here. You're going to see a lot of them will be about the building of the dam. Then there's tour guides to take over. And they're going to take you down. They're going to put you on top of one of the intake towers, or the intakes of where the water comes into the dam.
Yeah, like
655 feet wide at the base,
yeah, like
45 feet wide up on top. It is an arch of gravity dam, meaning not connected to the canyon wall. When the water is trying to push that arch straight, it's going to stay sealed. That way these mountains can move. You get small tremors on a regular basis. Coming in view now is North America's largest single-span concrete bridge, 2,000 feet from one side to the other.
ya la vista de esta hora.
Inside are 4 intake towers, 2 on the Nevada side, 2 on the Arizona side. That's how the water gets into the generators, are through these 4 towers. Arizona does not do daylight savings time, so 6 months out of the year they are 1 hour ahead of us. That's why there's a clock. Alright, we just crossed into the state of Arizona. 1941, they wanted to make sure everything worked. They shut the valve off. Wake feed started to fill up. Once it got to the top there, it created that white line. And the water went around the dam like it was supposed to. Everything worked just as it was designed to. 1983, record snowpack, snowfall, early spring thaw. All that water hit at the exact same time. And Lake Mead filled up for the second and last time. And water went over and
Voy para allá ahora.
it's low enough now where amateur divers can go down there. And there's some videos popping up every now and then of them playing on trains or the cranes or they're climbing the ladders. It's
Okay, this is the high scale monument. This is dedicated to all the men who died building the dam. This is probably one of the most dangerous jobs. They hung over the edge. They had an 80-pound air drill, bore a hole, packed with dynamite, put a fuse in it. Hopefully they were all working on the same timeline. Light the fuse, push away, blast, come back in with a pick, get all the loose rocks out, do it all over again.
Está en el bolsillo, ¿no? ¿Qué te parece acá? Es lo que te esperaba, ¿eh?
No, pero esto sí, esto no es papel maché, esto sí es lo que hay en la obra de ingeniería.
Chacho, esto es gigantesco aquí. Lo que hace falta ver si nos van a dejar caminar por el, o sea, no, por el borde. Vamos para acá.
All right, contrary to popular belief, there's nobody buried in the concrete. Yes. Well, it's actually operated by Los Angeles Power. It's owned by the federal government, and security is owned by Homeland Security. So if anybody doing something.
Awkward.
I wouldn't be surprised if this was really size.
Southwest.
Another great achievement of American resourcefulness, American skill, and American determination. And that is why I have the right once more to congratulate you who have builded Bull Dam, and on behalf of the nation, to say to you, well done.
Franklin Delano Roosevelt dedicated Boulder Dam on September 30th, 1935. In 1947, Congress officially named it Hoover Dam. Some call it the most prodigious engineering construction feat since the Great Pyramids of Egypt. When a U.S. Senate committee endorsed construction of Hoover Dam in 1928, its report said, a mighty river, now a source of destruction, is to be curbed and put to work in the interests of society. And so it was. Hoover Dam brought the desert flood control, a reliable supply of water, electrical power, and more. Behind the 726-foot-tall concrete face lies Lake Mead, America's largest man-made lake.
Atomic generators.
Yo tomo toda la foto de ella, que quiero tener nada. Mira cómo hay agua en las paredes.
We get those guys in all the time. And there are certain things they ask me about that I can't answer. For them, it's not a big deal. For us,
Te vayan adelante, síganlo.
There you go. You're to the right, guys.
Pónganse a Estamos, mira, estamos en el interior de los muros. Avancen un poquito más adelante para yo poder cogerlos a los... Good weather. Contar la botella. Cuidado abajo. Mira la tubería. ¿Sabes cómo está pasando agua por ahí? ¿Te lo sientes la vibración? Bajo tus pies.
All right.
Por ahí pasa agua suave.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who didn't ride down here with me, I'm JR, your power plant tour guide. Once you have behind me here, infrastructure map of the Hoover Dam site, we're located right there inside one of the diversion tunnels in the Nevada Canyon walls. Now, to build the Hoover Dam, job one, move the water around the construction site. So they had to blast out 4 of these tunnels, 2 on the Nevada Canyon walls, 2 the Arizona Canyon walls. Oh, they're firing up a generator as we speak. Yeah, that's water rushing below your feet. So don't worry about it, okay?
Ese es el agua pasando. El agua pasando por abajo.
So they blasted them out for 56 feet diameter, lined with 3 feet of concrete. You see that right above there? Each one of them about 3/4 of a mile long, or about 1.2 kilometers. Now, it took them 19 months to blast them out of solid volcanic rock and line them all with about 400,000 cubic yards of concrete.
Qué fresco más rico nos momento. Hay más ventilación aquí que allá arriba. Síguelo. A seguir bajando.
What's it take to impress you people, man?
So gross today, we have an 8.
Crowd ever, man. On the same floor.
Yo estoy detrás de ustedes, sigan caminando.
You guys are gonna be going up on the left here, so stay to the left side. Here you go.
Échate esto ahora. Mira lo que van a ver ahora. No tengas miedo, que ni nada. Mira los perros generadores que hay aquí abajo. A la derecha. El agua está pasando, está haciendo girar todo eso. Eso genera energía.
Come on in, ladies and gentlemen, anywhere along the rails. If you want to get up close, you can. If you want to stay back here, that's good with me too. You're the damn tourist. Do what you
Mantén
want.
grabando ahí para tirar foto. Porque no se pegue.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Bureau Reclamation, welcome to the Nevada side of the power plant. Now, this is the pointed tour where I can test your knowledge based on the information I've given you. What direction is Lake Mead? Now, I am a visual guide. I'm going to show that to you. Wall to my right, all the way down to the end of the bay. The length of the Nevada power plant is 650 feet. You add 10 feet to that, you've got the thickness at the bottom of the dam. And that is 199 feet below us. Now, downriver, 8 commercial grade generators, 9 on the Arizona side, total of 17. Basing at 7 feet tall. You only see the top 30 feet of it. That shaft on the money is lit up in the middle and spinning there. 3 feet thick, 65 feet long. It extends below the deck Statue of Liberty. The one in New York Harbor, folks, not Vegas, okay? The real Lady Liberty, yeah. The real Lady Liberty weighs about 225 pounds. Petroleum products, citrus and vegetables. Florida, cypress wood and marble for the terrazzo. 16. Yeah, you're in the visitor center, so the exhibits are over there and the overlook stairs elevator are over there. Okay? Thank you, sir. Yep, have a wonderful day. Very good.
Vaya. Síganlo,
Ay, ten cuidado. Yo no sé dónde va.
Sí, vaya. ¿Cómo llegando? Mira, anda acá el teléfono un momento.
Se mató.
La mano chiquita para que salga de abajo. Agarra ahí. Estamos llegando ya. Ahora. Nosotros estábamos allá abajo, ¿no? En esta sección de ahí. Bajamos toda la montaña hasta abajo. Y la línea blanca es lo más alto que he alcanzado de... Pero por debajo de eso, acuérdate que esto es un cañón, esto es un triángulo hacia abajo, ¿entiendes? Acuérdate que todo ese río, el Arizona, es el gigante ese que vimos desde allá. Mira, ¿tú viste aquella el muro que está allá? Eso allá se le llama aliviadero. Cuando el agua sube, para evitar que el agua, supongamos, no se desborde la presa por aquí, ¿qué es lo que hace? Se va por eso aliviadero, que eso es un roto que va por debajo de la montaña y aterriza allá abajo en el pasillo ese. O sea que cuando el nivel del río sube a esa altura, no hay manera de que se desborde para acá. O sea, como se ve en películas que desborda la presa y se rompe, no, el agua se va por ahí y se va por ahí también, que hay unos aliviaderos. O sea, mira, esto es una frontera, este paso. De este pilar para acá es el estado de Arizona. Y de aquí para allá, o sea, usted ahora está en Nevada, yo estoy en Arizona. ¿No ves? En la torre aquella pone un reloj, 3:30. Y en aquella pone otro reloj con la hora de Arizona. Ok, ya estoy en Nevada ya. Vamos, caminando por ahí para allá, para pasar el sitio. Entonces mira, ¿tuviste los huecos esos? En la torre. Por ahí se mete el agua. Los huecos esos ahí en la torre, son como 2 pisos. Cuando el nivel sube ahí, el agua va por ahí para abajo. Bueno, cuando llegue a ese nivel, eso es para evitar un desbordamiento. Qué calor hay aquí. Vamos en la presa Hoover. Mira para esto. Un puente gigante de atrás. Aquí fue donde se grabó Transformers. Por aquí apareció Megatron, creo yo, ¿no? Algo de eso.